Hey guys, welcome back to the Whitefish Wizard. Kieran here. No Miles here today. Sorry, him and I haven't really been able to meet up too much lately just because he's been pretty busy, I've been pretty busy. It's hard for us to meet up now that he doesn't really live 5 minutes away anymore. Anywho, yeah, bit of a different video today. We are at my house. I am just about to try and fix the drone. Someone on the last video commented to check out YouTube and like that there was many repair videos, so decided to do that. Checked out actually a really good video on how to repair these things. So I went yesterday onto the good old Amazonia and ordered a new arm for this thing. So I'll show you what the problem is with it is this is our drone. So this is the Mavic Mini. It's the original one. It's pretty old. I've had it since we started the channel. But as you can see, Rhonda the other day when she stepped on it, she hit this arm and just cracked it lightly. I taped it back up, but then when it crashed into the ground the other day, it kind of broke it all the way. So no more taping that guy up anymore. As you can see, it is pretty abused. We got different colored propellers on it because I crashed it into I think like some pole on my street and it landed on the pavement. So that's why those are different colors like that. But anywho, yeah, the new arm itself was I think $30. So I got a few of my tools here, some small screwdrivers, some little prying tools, some pliers for the small little screws, and hopefully I don't lose anything. Anywho, we'll give it a go here. What do we got to lose at this point? I really don't want to buy a new drone. They're like $1,000, so unless someone wants to buy me one, which probably isn't gonna happen. Anywho, let's get to work. Kind of fast on camera, but that took me like, I don't know, I feel like that took me like an hour. It took me a while anyways. But we have a new arm. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one right here is all changed. I tested it out. The motor's working and everything, so it's all hooked up correctly. But I think it's kind of late right now. I'm not going to go fly it right now. I am probably going to go and do an ice update this week sometime. So I'll do a little update for everyone, do another little drone, a bunch of drone shots for everyone, and we'll see how it goes from there. Anywho, job well done. Make sure you like, subscribe, or just do whatever you want, really. Okay, bye.
Marines, like the whole world, watch the effects of the blast and wonder.